A complete system for shower installation by Mapei and Profilpas. With Mapei and Profilpas products, installing showers becomes easier. Everything you need for installation, provided by one single group. From drains for water discharge, to waterproofing membranes, adhesives and grouts, to install ceramic tiles and profiles, Mapei and Profilpas offer maximum quality for the best possible final result. Mapeguard WP 200, alkali-resistant waterproofing and anti-fracture membrane, complete with all accessories. Profilpas linear drains for floor-level showers. PP Drain Aqua, PP Drain Aqua 360, thin drain, slim drain, smart drain and drainage points from the Q drain range. Glass profile. The Profilpas line of profiles in stainless steel to install floor-level shower trays. Kerapoxy easy design, epoxy grout in an extensive range of color shades. One system, all the products you need for a high-quality result.